Hello, and welcome back to our gentle exercise in the park. We will dive right in by finding a comfortable standing position to start our first exercise. Gently guide your hands to shoulder height and press them down. Float your arms up, flip your palms, and let them sink back down. On the inhale, float your hands up and lower down on the exhale. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale and sink down. Repeat this 3 more times. From here, widen your stance. Bend your knees and upper body while bringing your arms up and over your head. Bend forward, turn to the left, and rotate your body at the waist, keeping your arms rounded as if you were holding a large ball and drawing a full circle with your torso. Swing your body to the left, keeping your lower body relaxed so you can easily twist and turn at the waist and draw a circle with your body. Return to the center and slowly rise to a stand. Now do the other side. Bend your knees, raise your arms as if you were holding an imaginary ball between your palms. Turn to the left, bend forward to draw a circle, moving your body to the right. Twist and turn to the left, bend forward and swing over to the right, maintaining a soft and flexible body. Come back to the center and rise up. Now that you're familiar with the movement, pay attention to what feels good for you and take your time as you flow with it. Everyone has a different level of flexibility, so be gentle with yourself and ease into the transitions of turning and twisting, bending and stretching. Listen closely to what your body needs at this moment. Continue for 3 counts. Now return to the center and lengthen. Arms up, gentle back bend, turn to the right and swing the body to the left, drawing a circle to the top. Repeat this 2 more times. Well done. Moving on to a balance exercise, you may hold on to a sturdy surface for safety. Shift your weight onto your right leg and begin to swing your left leg back and forth. Relax your arms and let them swing loosely with the movement. Go at your own pace and take your time to explore your sense of balance. Now switch and swing your right leg back and forth, engaging your core while keeping the rest of your body relaxed. Then bring your legs together. Lift your heels off the ground and lengthen. Gently lower them and sink into your posture. Feel how the energy flows through your body. Pull yourself up and lift your heels. Lower back down to the ground. Now on your own and at your own pace. 5 times. A few times together, lift yourself up. Feel the pull through the crown of your head as you rise. And let go. Relax. Pull your shoulders up. Fill your lungs with air and then let go. Relax. 2 more times. We end today's exercise with a Qi shower. Raise your hands to gather fresh healing energy and send it to your dantian, your energy center. Repeat this 2 more times. May you be at peace in your mind and heart and grounded in your body. Thank you for being here. See you next time.